In the 2-box MLB early bird, 43.89. We are full. Good luck, everybody. Dice roll. We're going 6 times on the dice. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Padres up top. The Royals at the bottom. 6 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, 6 here. 6 here. Dustin up top. Charles Williams at the bottom. Let's sort them out. They all sorted. There's your squads. Good luck, guys. MLB Mixer 2-boxer. Here we go. Two boxes in this break. Let me grab a box to put them in. And good luck, everybody. Good luck. Let's start with Update Series. Good luck, good luck. Imagine we smack up Brady in the early bird out of the draft. Good luck, good luck. You guys take your spots. Flawless on the website. Collegiate Flawless. 10 cards per box. And all 10 are hits. Starting off here, Jose Cuas, rookie refractor for Kansas City. Michael Busch on the rookie debut for the Dodgers. Luis Medina, rookie for Oakland. James Paxton for the Red Sox. J.P. France, rookie for the Astros. Hobie Harris for the Nationals on the rookie. We got Tommy Pham, 113 out of 125 on the blue lava lamp. Sam Hilliard, 98 out of 175 on the aqua lava lamp. Rogned Odor Magenta, 301 out of 399 for the Padres. Brian Bayo for the Boston Red Sox on the Youthquake. Ryan Arroquio on the ink for Cleveland. And Drew Magi, the Pittsburgh Pirates, and John Plua. Box 2, good luck. And guys, PYT completer in the HTA case. Massive squads there, just 13 left in the completer. We got Red Auto. Good grief. Red Wave Ink to 5 coming up. Good luck, everybody. This could be a banger. Red Wave auto for the Kansas City Royals, Hero Wyatt. Going to Charles Williams. There you go, Charles. Hero Wyatt on the Red Wave Inc. 3 out of 5. Hero Wyatt to 5 on the Red Wave auto. Card number 2, base, Michael Carrico for the Cubbies. And Green Wave for the Cardinals, Travis Honeyman. Green Wave to 99, Cardinals. On the board, Cliff Andreazzi, 96 out of 99. Again, let's recap it. Got Honeyman to 99. Carrico, Magi, Rocchio, Bayo, Odor, Hilliard, Pham. And Hero Wyatt to 5 for Kansas City. Again, 3 out of 5 on the Hero. Hell of a card there, guys. That is the break. Thanks for the fill.